What's up everybody? In this video, I will be showing you how to get the Duolingo promotion code for the year of 2024 and in the month of December. For that, the process is very simple and easy. All you have to do is to make sure that you stick to the video till the end to get to know about it. So what you have to do is to go to your Google Chrome and search for the Duolingo promotion codes. So I'm going to show you the whole process so you guys can keep doing it even after the months. You don't have to watch the video again and again, but what you have to do is to simply follow these steps in order to get the promotion codes, because the codes that I will show you in this video might be expired or outdated when you will watch the video. So for that, I'm going to show you the whole process so you guys can check it out by yourself at the updated time. So go ahead on your Google Chrome and search for the Duolingo promotion codes. And once you have done that, what you have to do that there will be a lot of website that will pop up on the Google Chrome, and you guys simply have to do is to go to the any of the website. For example, I'm going to open up the Simply Cool, the GRNL, the Gathers XP, the Retail Me Not, and I will show you if those are working or not in the website. So here you guys can see that this is the Simply code, and here you will see that the link promotion codes up to the month of December, which was updated uh 19 hours ago. So these are the Duolingo know all the codes. It doesn't work because they can be expired. So these are the codes. Promotion code mom is not working. Full. So let's go and see the other website to see if the promotion codes are working or not. So here are the promotion codes that are listed for the year of 2024. Here you guys can see that. And these are other promotion codes to redeem right now. I'm going to show you the whole list, and make sure that you know that there's a note that you can only use the promotion code once for your account, and that cannot be repeated again and again. So if you use the promotion code once on your device, you won't be able to use it again. So this is for the krnl.vip website. Let's go to the Gather XP. In the Gather XP, you can see that the JetBlue and the other promotion codes here. The list of all the promotion codes. Let's go to the Retail Me Not website. So here you guys can see that. Uh, if you go ahead and click on the Get Deal option, you will see the deals that are available right now. So there are no promotion code listed on this website, but you can follow this whole process in order to get the promotion codes. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this really helpful.